Welcome to my channel, my Showbiz Corner. Viewers, supporters, subscribers.
Hello 18! Welcome back to my channel. Update tayo sa Time Podcast ng SB19. Ang pangalawang guest, Kizzy Tandingan at TG Monterde. Ito nga, may revelasyon at binunyag ni Kizzy Tandingan na isang tagahanga siya at bumilib sa SB19 sa dedikasyon at tagumpay nila at pagsumikap para makilala pa at sumikat. Sa simula at wakas World Tour Concert sa Philippine Arena, masyado pang bumilib at humanga si Casey dahil 2 araw ang concert ng SB19. Pilipino lamang na SB19 ang gumawa niyan sa Philippine Arena sa Bulacan. Kaya naman narito ang kanyang statement.
First local artist to sell out the Philippine Arena ng ganong kabilis, and then now you're gonna do a day 2, like,
who does that?
diba, who does that? And you don't have a big company backing you up. Kayo yun eh. Sobrang sobrang inspiring yan
Thank you
for
so
us.
much. Siguro kasi kami, nandun nga kami recently, nag-uusap kami na takot kami na may regrets kami in the future. Takot kami na may what ifs kami, di ba? So minsan talaga hindi na naman kami solid as you think we are. May mga times talaga marami kaming problems. As in, lahat, sabi nga ni Pao, lahat na ng kamalasan, may balat ata sa puwet ng namin.
Thank you for watching, guys. See you in the next video and update. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Keep watching. God bless everyone, and always remember, be yourself and be a good one.